Hey loves! Today I'm back with another PR unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while because I really honestly don't like to let my PR pile up this much. But June was kind of busy, so here we are and we're gonna just hang out, chit chat, and see what's new in makeup today. So grab a snack, get cozy, and let's get into it and have some girl time. And it is giveaway time. I'm choosing 3 winners to each win a box of goodies, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and for a bonus entry you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and then just leave me one comment, and along with your comment leave me a way that I can contact you in case you're the winner, your Instagram, your email. Just don't leave the @ symbol so that your comment doesn't get deleted, and I will choose the winners next week and also leave them in the description box below. I will contact you directly. And PS, this is for United States only. Good luck. I love you guys, and let's get into the video now. First package is from Polite Society, and I actually opened this already over the weekend because it said open immediately, so I'm thinking there's food in here. There's not. But the packaging is 10 out of 10 for this, honestly. It's like a little prescription, but it's a lip plumper. But this is the Polite Society Big Mouth XL Lip Plumper. There's actually infinity pepper in here and ginger root oil to help with that plumping in there. So this is gonna be intense. So thank you, Polite Society. Pacifica is next. So this is the Pacifica Clear Mist Acne Spray. It retails for $14. There's 2% salicylic acid and it's made for acne prone skin, face breakouts, gym skin, or any stress flare-ups. You can just spray this directly onto your breakouts. Thank you, Pacifica. Next up, we have Pixi. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Lip mask tinted jellies. I'm pretty sure I saw a video on these on Instagram, actually. I cannot wait to try these. And these are the 3 shades that we have. Super cute. Thank you, Pixi. We finally have some new setting sprays here at the drugstore, and these are 0% alcohol from Hard Candy. Starting off with the first one, it's the Skin Rescue Facial Spray. This is a hypochlorous acid spray that you could use for redness relief. A Grip-On Lock Setting Spray. This says major hydration for all skin types, and I love how this one's also fragrance-free. I believe they actually all are. This one is the Look On Lock Setting Spray. This one just has a natural finish. And then we have a Glow On Lock Setting Spray. I cannot wait to use this. It kind of looks like the iconic London setting spray with glitter in it. This one says it illuminates the skin and gives a radiant natural finish. Of course, we have a mattifying one. This one kind of looks like the one from Milani. And then we have a makeup remover spray. It's an oil-infused cleansing spray that gently and fully removes makeup. Thank you so much, Hard Candy. Then we have LYS Beauty. We have new finishing powders here from LYS. So these are the 2 shades. Up top, we have Courage, which is a tan, and then Strength, which is dark. Obviously on me, these are not going to be powders. It's going to be more of a bronzer, but I didn't even know they had new powders, but thank you, LYS. And then this little card shows everything that's in the powder. We have niacinamide, sweet potato extract, which is interesting, and then we also have hyaluronic acid and red clover flower extract. So last month I went to this YouTube event and I got to meet some of the members from the e.l.f. team there, and they sent a cute little card and some goodies. So thank you so much, e.l.f. Look at this ginormo Power Grip primer, and this new mascara that they came out with is so good. Especially if you have straight lashes. I've been loving this. New setting sprays from Revolution as well. So this is my favorite setting spray from Revolution, the Super Fix mattifying one. And now they have a cooling one and then an extra glowy one as well. I really like the aerosol packaging as well. It just distributes the spray really nicely. Thank you, Makeup Revolution. And then we have this from One Skin. I've actually never tried this brand, but it looks really good. We have a body topical supplement. We have face SPF, an eye cream, and then also a face supplement. Interesting. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand, but it looks really good. Again, it's from One Skin. Thank you so much. This next package is a mystery. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. I love Fenty lip products. I swear I've been raving about these for forever. The traced out lip liners are super creamy and long wearing. And the gloss bombs are Chef's Kiss. They have, I believe they have a new shade. Yeah, this one is in Grape Splash. Look at that color. Is that not me? I'm gonna put some of it on right now, actually, even though I already have lip product on, but I think it's time to reapply. This one is in Grape Splash, yeah. I love the shimmer. It just gives like a pretty little sparkle, but they're so smooth and they make your lips super juicy. These Gloss Bomb sticks, this is like my favorite color too. These are really, really good. It's kind of like the Gloss Bombs, but also a lipstick in one. Here we have some new goodies from ABH. So we have 3 new blush trios, and there's different colors in each trio, like different variations of shades. Of course, the pink one is calling my name. Contour sticks, which I have not tried. I'm going to include these in a giveaway because I have already received these in a gift. I have to still test them out. And I didn't know that ABH also had new bronzers as well. So these are the Smooth Blur bronzers. Love the sleek packaging. This one is in Sun-Kissed Dreams. And this is one of their darker colors, Bronze Bay. By the way, I just want to show you the trios. They're actually a lot bigger than I was expecting as well. This one is in pink, a cool toned pink, a candy pink, and then a soft pink. And this is called the Magic Touch Blush Trio. This one is in peach, carnation pink, cool pink, and a mauve, it says in here. And this one is the berry rose. We have fuchsia, orange red, and a mulberry. Another surprise package. Oh, Covergirl. These are the new Covergirl jelly tints. So these are the new yummy lip and cheek tints. It does smell like raspberries. Look at the little applicator. It's adorable. That's all the shades that they have. Thank you, Covergirl. Another surprise package. The brown ones are surprises to me. I never know what these are. Origins here. Thank you. We have an SPF 30 daily moisturizer. This is the new Pearl Glow gel moisturizer. And then we have the Bronze Glow gel moisturizer and 2 of the brightening eye creams. Specifically the ginseng brightening eye cream. I've heard amazing things about this. Let me know if you guys have tried it, but thank you, Origins. Oh, there's like different variations of it. There's a cool toned one and a warm toned one. Let's open up these little envelopes. I love when brands send things in this because it's so much easier. Actually, I got this from TikTok Shop. It's the new NYX brow glue. Apparently this has like 24-hour hold for your brows, so I want to try this out. I want to do another testing new drugstore makeup releases for summer, so stay tuned. I'm going to be featuring that in there. Then we have some goodies from About Face, which I adore. I love this brand. This is one of my favorite powders, the Curtain Call Set and Smooth Loose Set-In Powder. This one is in the shade Bow. And then we have a new mascara from About Face as well to try. Then I picked up another shade of the Skin Focused foundation from them as well. I got M2 Neutral. I love this one. It's a skincare infused foundation, but it is gorgeous. We have another goodie bag here from Revolution. Okay, we have a peel off lip liner and then a pout plumping gloss from Revolution. Their plumping line is really good. Another ABH package here. I wonder what this is. I did not know that they had sunscreen. SPF 50? So this is what it looks like. Very fancy packaging. I literally have not heard not even a peep about this. Okay, we have this brand here, No Makeup Makeup. So we have a powder foundation and then a foundation brush here. I don't know if this is gonna match, but maybe, because I think it's like a cream to powder. It's in the shade Light Medium. And then this is the foundation brush. Very sleek, very pretty. Thank you. A bunch of glosses in here. Thank you, Lawless. Strawberry Milkshake is one of my favorite colors. It's like a very milky, light, creamy baby pink. So in love with this formula. It is smooth. It's so pigmented. This is a gorgeous milky shade. So if you want to splurge on a lip gloss, I think this is a good one to splurge. They have beautiful colors and they just apply very smooth and buttery on the lips. Oh, they have new lip liners too. This is the Forget the Filler lip pencil in the shade Kiss. I feel like this is going to be a good shade too because I have a little pamphlet here to go with other glosses, pretty much all the glosses. Thank you. More new lip products. It says Electrolyte Lip Balm. Look how cute these look. Thank you, Milk. Let's see, I'm so intrigued always by the pink. Let's see what these look like. Electrolyte Lip Balm, and I love their packaging. It's just so simple, but I like how each one is a different color based on the shade of the lip balm. Oh, it smells good. I love a good smelling juicy lip product too. I feel like that just adds to the experience. Let's see what this one looks like, the purple. Yeah, I usually really like Milk lip products. New from Rael. You might have seen this brand at the drugstore, but it says Rael was founded by 3 Korean American women with a mission to elevate the standard of period care. So they have period care products. I've actually tried their heating patches and they are amazing for if you have cramps. They also have skincare, which I think is really cool as well. So we have some sheet masks here, and these are tea tree for those times when you're breaking out when it's that time of the month. And then they also have these little retinol pimple patches as well. And then we have an acne serum and a spot gel too. So thank you, Rael. These look really good. Colourpop, one thing about them, they're gonna have a new collection. New lip products here. And also they always have new lip products or new cheeks. They just have all the new things always. And these are only $9. I love how they have stayed at that affordable price point. It's a little glossy lip stain. We're gonna have to do some lip swatches. brushes. And there's a little pop socket. It's MagSafe, and you could put your little stain in there. Thank you, Colourpop. I currently have a MagSafe one. I love my pop socket. This one is from Untouched Blooms. I'm obsessed with these. It's a small business. But look, this is adorable as well. More Colourpop here. Let's see what we got. This looks just like Laneige. So you get the lip scrub and the matching lip mask. And we have a strawberry one, chocolate milkshake, vanilla cake, and then these are the 3 other lip masks. We have the green, which is pistachio, jelly donut, and orange vanilla. Colourpop too has a lot of dupes for high-end makeup. Good molecules. You can find them at Walmart now too. I was there a few days ago and I was surprised to see this brand there, but they're everywhere and they have affordable but good skincare. So this says it's really good for dull, dry, dehydrated skin. It's the Sakura Hyaluronic Boosting Essence. And it's formulated with 3 kinds of hyaluronic acid to help your skin feel soft and looking fresh. And then I love how they're very transparent about all of their ingredients in their skincare. This looks really good too. The packaging looks nice. Thank you, Good Molecules. I can't wait to try this. More from Covergirl. Their new skin tint with SPF. Adorable. We have a little beach towel bag here. The yellow and pink. I love these 2 colors. Oh, I love this. I'm actually going to the beach very soon and this is gonna be perfect. Inside of it is the towel connected to it. That's really cool. Thank you, Covergirl. I wanna see what other shades they have because I don't know if these are gonna match. I think out of all of these though, medium neutral is gonna be my shade. This is gonna be way too light. This is fair warm. This one is medium neutral, but it still looks a little bit too dark because I have 0 color right now. And then this is medium olive. It's between those 2, but we're gonna have to make those work. Shut up. We have new body serums here from Tree Hut. Also have not heard a peep about this. I haven't even seen this on socials. It's the Hydro Glow Body Serum. Brighten and hydrate. Very clean, kind of like eucalyptus. Very soft, minty a little bit. And then of course the vanilla. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on right now. I love their body products, Tree Hut. Ooh, it doesn't feel super thick, which is nice. It actually does feel like a serum. It feels good. I love all of their products, even their body butters, because they're not sticky. And then look at this little Hydro jug, the color. And then you also have a little built-in straw. I don't have one of these. I have a Stanley that I'm currently using. Are you a Stanley gal or are you a Hydro jug? Which one's better? I don't know. Let me know. But thank you, Tree Hut. Josie Maran is everything. Her argan oil is a staple in my beauty routine. Oh, this is really cool. There's actually fragrance mists now. And oh, this one is one of my favorites. The Body Butter in Vanilla Vibes. Divine. This is my favorite scent. These are so travel friendly. This one is really good too. The Topless Tangerine. Golden Hour. This one has a little bit more of like an amber, sweet, musky scent. And then this one is Bohemian Fig. I actually have not tried this one, but they also have a fragrance-free body butter too if you're more sensitive. And then this is what the mist looks like. Perfect for traveling. It looks kind of milky. The tangerine, it's like literally a splash of citrus, but it's very soft. It's pretty. I'm excited for these. Thank you, Josie Maran. Oh my god, that smells so good. Another mystery package here. It's like, oh, maybe it's food. It says nutrition facts on it. I don't think it's food. This is the Hydrating Cream to Milk Cleanser. Very clever with the packaging. And look, it's like a cereal box. I love Inkey List too. This is a super affordable brand at Sephora, but their skincare, it's amazing. The Oat Cleansing Balm is one of my favorite things ever. Shut up. They even put a little bowl in there. So this is the Hydrating Cream to Milk Cleanser. It's a daily cleanser to gently remove makeup and impurities. And their stuff too is like a good size for the price. Highly recommend. I believe nothing that they have is over like $15. Like, it's super affordable. Is this actually cereal? Oh, it's Special K cereal. I'm gonna use this for a Bernardo whenever we're out. I love it. Thank you, Inkey List. We saved the best for last. We have some essence here. Let's stick together. We should stick together. Oh my gosh, look at these. All of these stick foundations. The good news is this is $6.99. The other good news is it comes in 43 shades, which is insane. Like, what? Thank you, Essence. I cannot wait to try this. So we have a lot of new drugstore makeup. Essence is another one of those brands that they have consistently stayed really affordable. Like, I don't think they have anything over like $10 or $11. It's crazy. So I love to see it and I can't wait to try this. Let me know if you guys have tried it though, but 43 shades. The good news is we got through the unboxing. The bad news is this is what I'm left with. So I'm about to clean all of this stuff up, but at least we got it all done. I really needed to do that, and I didn't want to go one more day with letting this pile up. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Check the description box for all details, giveaway details, all the things. And if there's anything else that you guys want me to test out, make sure to let me know. But I'm going to be doing many more testing new makeup videos because we have some goodies, both drugstore and high-end. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for new videos every single week. And of course, huge shout out to every single brand for sending over these goodies. I'm so grateful, and I'm grateful to you guys for your continued support and the fact that you guys are still here showing love, watching my videos. I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate you silent viewers as well, because I'm a silent viewer, so I totally get it, but I really appreciate it. So thank you guys, and I cannot wait to see you very soon in my next one. Bye.